Landing page and website may look similar, but their purpose is completely different. And understanding this difference can improve your marketing results instantly. In today's video, we'll clearly understand what is a website, what is a landing page, and how are they different, all in simple and easy words that anyone can understand. A website is like a complete digital house of your business. It contains multiple pages, and each page has different types of information. A website usually includes homepage, about us, services, products, blog, contact page, FAQs, testimonials, and much more. Users can freely move around the website, explore different pages, and learn about your brand in detail. Think of Amazon or Flipkart, lots of pages, categories, menus, information, products, etc. A website gives a full picture of your business. A landing page is a single page built for one specific purpose. It is focused, simple, and designed to make the user take one particular action. A landing page usually aims for sign up, buy now, register for a webinar, download an ebook, fill a contact form, book a demo. Unlike a website, a landing page has no distractions, fewer links, and a very clear message. A page that says, register now for the free digital marketing webinar with a form and a single CTA button. That's a landing page. Website, multi-page, provides full information, focuses on learning, exploring, and understanding, good for brand presence and credibility. Landing page, single page, focused on one goal. No distractions, designed to convert visitors into leads or customers. Marketers use websites to educate people and create brand trust, but they use landing pages when they want quick results, like conversions. If you run ads on Google, Facebook, or Instagram, sending traffic to a landing page often gives higher conversion rates because the user has only one clear thing to do. A website is like a full shop. A landing page is like a single counter with one offer. Both are important, just used for different purposes. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple digital marketing tutorials.